This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you're using your personal device and logged into Trust Wallet. Once done, unlock the app with your PIN or biometrics and close other apps to avoid screen overlays. Make sure you have a physical medium ready, paper and pen, or an encrypted password manager, because you will copy sensitive data. Also, connect to a private network. Do not use public Wi-Fi. These steps reduce risk and let you proceed to view the secret phrase safely. Next, navigate straight to Settings and then Wallets. Locate the specific wallet account you want. Once selected, tap the three dots or info icon to reveal wallet options and choose Show Secret Phrase. You must authenticate again with your PIN or biometric. Trust Wallet requires this to protect you. When the phrase appears, view one line at a time and refrain from taking screenshots. This is the critical middle step, where careful handling. Finally, copy every word in exact order onto your chosen medium. Read aloud and cross-check each word to ensure accuracy. Once recorded, store that copy offline in a secure place, a safe, a fireproof box, or a hardware wallet with encrypted backup. Make sure no photos or cloud copies exist. If anything goes wrong or words are missing, close the app and use the wallet recovery flow with your backup. Never share your secret phrase with anyone ever.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.